Dear students, this session we are going to study about Newton forward interpolation for equally spaced points. Newton forward interpolation formula for equally spaced point is given by y equal to f of x naught plus uh equal to y naught plus u by 1 factorial del y naught plus u into u minus 1 by 2 factorial del square y naught plus u into u minus 1 u minus 2 by 3 factorial del cube y naught up to u into u minus 1 up to u minus m plus 1 by m factorial del power m y naught. So the last term is nth term, right? With u equal to x minus x naught by h, where x is the value to be interpolated and x naught is the first value in x data and h is the length of the interval in x data. Problems. A function f of x is given by the following table. Find f of 0.2 by a suitable formula. So x values are here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. F of x, that is y values are 176, 185, 194, 203, 2112, 220, 229, right? So, see the problem here. Number of data n equal to 7. Okay, so first construct difference table. Okay, first list the value of x here. So value of x here 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 6. Okay, value of y, that is f of x 176, 185, likewise. So del y naught, that is first order difference, that is difference between two values 185 minus 176, that is 9. Similarly, next value is 194 minus 185, that is 9. 203 minus 194, that is 9. 212 minus 203 is 9. 220 minus 2112 is 8. Similarly, 229 minus 220 is 9. So this is called first difference. Similarly, find the second order difference, that is 9 minus 9 equal to 0, that is second value minus first value. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. Similarly, 9 minus 9 equal to 0, 9 minus 9 equal to 0, 8 minus 9 equal to minus 1, 9 minus 8 equal to 1. Similarly, third order difference, okay, second value minus first value. 0 minus 0 is 0. Similarly, 0 minus 0 is 0, minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1, 1 minus of minus 1 is 2, okay. Similarly, fourth order difference, 0 minus 0 is 0, minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1, 2 minus of minus 1 is 3. Similarly, for fifth order difference, second value minus first value, minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1, 3 minus of minus 1 is 4, 4 minus of minus 1 is 5. Okay, so this is the way to find difference table. Okay, now for forward difference we have to choose first value. Okay, in x the first value is 0 here, in y the first value is 176, in the first order difference first value is 9. Similarly, second order difference first value is 0 and third order difference first value is 0. Likewise, okay. So here differences are denoted by the symbol del. First order difference is denoted by del. Second order difference is denoted by del square. Del cube represents third order difference. Del power 4 represents fourth order difference. Del 5 represents fifth order difference. Del 6 represents sixth order difference. Okay. First we have to construct difference table before applying forward difference formula. Okay, also here see the length of the interval here. So here all the datas are equally spaced with the interval 1. So 1 minus 0 is 1 here. So h equal to 1 here, right? Okay, now so here we have to apply forward difference formula up to m equal to 6. Okay, now Newton forward interpolation formula is given by y equal to y naught plus u by 1 factorial del y naught u into u minus 1 by 2 factorial del square y naught up to u into u minus 1, u minus 2, u minus 3, u minus 4, u minus 5 by 6 factorial. Last del naughts, del power 6 y naught. Okay, very easy. You can easily write this formula. So first write y naught, then u into u minus 1, u into u minus 1, u minus 2 likewise. In the denominator 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial likewise. Okay, and correspond difference del y naught, first difference, this one is first value in the second difference likewise. Okay, right. Our problem is find f of 0.2. So here x naught first value is 0 here, the length of the interval h equal to 1, the value to be interpolated, this value is x equal to 0.2. Okay, the value, therefore u equal to 0.2, apply this formula, 0.2 minus 0 by 1, therefore u equal to 0.2. Okay, now substitute all the values in the formula. Substituting all the values in the above formula gives y equal to f of 0.2, 176 plus 0.2 by 1 factorial into 9 plus 0.2 into 0.2 minus 1 by 2 factorial into 0, 0.2 into 0.2 minus 1 into 0.2 minus 2 by 3 factorial into 0 likewise. 0.2 into 0.2 minus 1, 0.2 minus 2, 0.2 minus 3 divided by 4 factorial into 0. Right, similarly next term extend up to 0.2 minus 4, similarly up to 0.2 minus 5. Okay, such all the values here. Right, now after simplification, okay, 0.2 minus 1 is 0.8. Okay, y equal to 176 plus 0.2 by 1 into 9, 0.2 into minus 0.8 by 2 into 0, 0.2 into minus 0.8 into minus 1.8 by 6 into 0 likewise. Okay, after simplification using scientific calculator, calculate group wise. First compute this one, this one, this one, this one, this one likewise. Okay, then finally we have f of 0.2 equal to 176 plus 1.8 minus 0.02 5536 minus 0.102 144. Okay, after using scientific calculator we get y equal to 177.876608. Okay, so value of f of 0.2. Okay, to check whether our result is right or not, value of 0.2 lies between these two values 0 and 1. Okay, therefore the f of value must be lies between these two values 176 to 185. Now see our result is 177 point, it lies between these two values, so our result is almost okay, correct. Okay, now second problem, from the following table of off-yearly premium for the policies maturing at different ages, estimate the premium for policies maturing at age 46. Age X 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. Premium Y in thousands actually. 114.84, 96.16, 83.32, 84.48, 68.48. Okay, so here also the number of data is 4. First construct difference table. First list the values of x here, then list the values of y here. Here the first data is x naught, here the first data is y naught. Okay, see here we are going to find the value of x, value of y when x equal to 46. 46 is almost closer to beginning of the table. So if you are going to interpolate beginning of the table value, okay, we can use Newton forward formula. Okay, right? So this is our x naught, this is our y naught. Now we are going to construct difference table, right? So here difference means find a difference between two data. Consider only y value, second data minus first data for all the columns. Okay, 96 minus 96.16 minus 114.84 is 18.68. Similarly, 83.32 minus 96.12 is minus 12.84. 83 point, similarly 74.448 minus 83.32 is minus 8.84. Similarly, 68.48 minus 74.48 is minus 6. Okay, so this is said to be first order difference. Similarly, we can easily find second order difference. Again, second value minus first value, second value minus first value, second value minus first value. Similarly, we can easily find a third order difference. Same thing, second value minus first value in the second order difference column, right? Similarly, we can easily find a fourth order difference. Okay, see the data here. From the beginning, we have 5 value. In next column, it is reduced to 4 value. Next column, it is reduced to 3 values. Next one reduced to 2, finally 1. Okay, now, so we are going to apply forward formula. So choose all the first values here. Okay, so del y naught equal to 18.68, del square y naught equal to 5.84, del cube y naught equal to minus 1.84, del power 4 y naught is 0.68, right? Now, Newton forward interpolation formula is given by, so write the formula here. This time formula is up to del power 4 y naught because we have forward difference up to del power 4, right? Y equal to y naught plus u by 1 factorial del y naught plus u into u minus 1 by 2 factorial del square y naught up to fourth order difference. Same thing, u equal to x minus x naught by h. So we are going to find f of 46. That means we are going to interpolate x equal to 46. That is x equal to 46 here, right? Similarly, x naught equal to first data 45. H is common interval. So see the difference here, 5, 5, 5, 5. Newton forward formula is only applicable if the points are equally spaced. Okay. Otherwise, we cannot use Newton forward interpolation formula. Okay, now substitute all the values in the formula. U equal to x is 46 minus x naught is 45 divided by h equal to 5. After simplification, u equal to 0.2. Substitute all the values in the above formula gives y equal to 111 114.84 plus 0.2 by 1 factorial into minus 18.68 plus 0.2 into 0.2 minus 1 by 2 factorial 5 into 84. So here see the values, 114.84 is y naught. Okay, this value y naught, right? Similarly, this value 5.84 is first value, sorry, 18.84 is 18 minus 18.68 is first value in this first order difference. Next one is 5.84 first value here. Likewise, we have to choose first value in each column. Okay, after simplification, we get this equation. So use scientific calculator to compute group by group. Okay, then finally after simplification, we get y equal to 110.57. Right, so here we are going to interpret 46. Okay, 46 is lies between 45 and 50, therefore the result must be lies between 114.84 to 96, right? So here our result is 110. So here the value decreases, so 110 will be probably right result. We can conclude like this. Now third problem, the following table gives the corresponding values of x and y. Prepare a forward difference table and express y as function of x. Also obtain y when x equal to 2.5. So here the values of x are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The values of y are 7, 10, 13, 22, 43. So here the number of data is n equal to 5. So first construct difference table. Write the value of x here, write the value of y here, find difference between successive data, that is second value minus first value. 10 minus 7 is 3 here, similarly 13 minus 10 is 3 here, 22 minus 13 is 9. Similarly, we can easily find second order difference from first order difference. 3 minus 3 is 0. 9 minus 3 is 6. Likewise, similarly, we can easily find third order difference and fourth order difference. See the fourth order difference here, it is 0. So the value exists only up to third order difference. Okay. So we are going to use forward difference formula only up to third order, right? Therefore, the third order formula, Newton forward interpolation formula, is taken one up to third order. Actually, the fourth order is 0 here. U equal to x minus x naught by h. So to find f of x, so here there is, first we have to fit the polynomial. We have to find f of x. So put x as x naught equal to 0, h equal to 1. See here, h equal to 1. We have common interval h equal to 1. Right, y naught equal to first value 7. Therefore, u equal to, so put x equal to x here, x naught equal to 0 and h equal to 1. Okay, therefore x minus 0 by 1 become x. Therefore, u equal to x. Now substitute all the values in the formula. Okay, so we have y equal to f of x equal to 7 plus x by 1 factorial into 3, x into x minus 1 by 2 factorial into 0, x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 by 3 factorial into 6. The last one is 0 here. It will become 0. After simplification, we get y equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x plus 7. But we need x equal to 2.5. Put x equal to 2.5 here. After simplification, we get like this. So in this problem, there are two questions there. First one is, first to find the polynomial. So here is the polynomial, x cube minus 3x square plus 5x plus 7. Then interpolate for x equal to 2.5. So here x value is interpolated. Its corresponding y value is 16.375. Right? Now fourth problem. Find a polynomial of degree 2 for the data by Newton's forward difference method. So here see a lengthy data is given. X values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all the data are equally spaced. So we can apply forward difference formula. F of x is 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, 16, 22, 29. So here number of data is 8. So first construct difference table. Okay, first list the value of x, then list the value of y. Okay, now find it first order difference. 2 minus 1 is 1 here, 4 minus 2 is 2. Likewise, we can easily find the first order difference. Similarly, we can easily find the second order difference from first order difference. Similarly, we can easily find third order difference. All the values are 0 here. Okay, right now Newton forward interpolation formula is given. Write the formula here. Okay, so same formula. So here x naught equal to 0, x naught equal to 0, h equal to equal interval equal to 1. Okay, y naught equal to 1, del y naught equal to 1, del square y naught equal to 1, but del cube is 0 here. Substitute all the values here. After simplification, we get the simple polynomial y equal to x square plus 1. Okay, now last problem. The population of a town in a decennial census was given below. Estimate the population for the year 1895, right? So years are given here: 1891, 1901, 1911, 1921, 1931. Population in thousand: 46, 66, 81, 96, 101. We have to interpret, we have to find corresponding value of y for this. Okay, 1895. 1895 lies between these two intervals. That means beginning of the table, it is very closest to first value. So we can apply forward difference formula. So here number of data is n equal to 5. First construct difference table. First list the values of x, list the value of y. Find the first order difference, right? That is 66 minus 46. Second value minus first value 20. 81 minus 66, 50. Likewise. Similarly, we can easily find a second order difference from first order difference. Similarly, we can easily find third order difference and fourth order difference. Okay. So here the first values are, this one is x naught, this one is y naught, this one is del y naught, this one is del square y naught, this one is del cube y naught, this one is del power 4 y naught. Okay, now write the formula, Newton forward interpolation formula. So here x naught equal to first value, right? This is the first value 1891, and h equal to, see the difference here, difference in x data is h, all the data are equally spaced. Okay, h equal to 10, y naught equal to 46. So substitute all the values here, we get u equal to 0.4. After substituting all the values in the formula, we get like this equation. After simplification, we get y equal to 54.8528. Okay, right? Now to check whether our result is right or wrong, so 1895 lies between these two values, so our value must be lies between 46 and 66, right? See the result here, 54, that lies between these two values, so our value is correct. Thank you.